Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace a fuse inside the boiler, which means we had to remove this top, remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws if I'm not mistaken, remove the 3 water level sensors that are right here, remove the thermal sensor, remove the hose attaching to the vacuum release valve, remove the hose from the water pump, remove the hose that connects the water pump, remove the hose that connects the little water pump that actually fills this boiler, and also remove one of the housings that is attached to from on this side into the boiler to one of those hoses that are attached to the OPV valve of the water pump. So in order for you to replace that fuse, you really need to go deep inside this machine. Basically raise the entire boiler, get in there, replace the fuse, do it in that position, and then put everything back again, reconnect everything, and test it. So for this machine, we had to do that. We had to replace that fuse, and we also replace some of the O-rings that are attached into the boiler over here, as they were leaking out steam. Once we had the machine hot and running, we were seeing some leaks coming out through there, so we replaced those as well. And yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out, then we're gonna do some steam and then some hot water. This machine gives 8 seconds of pre-infusion, but once that happens, it will just push the water to the group head and we will see how it performs. Probably need to tamper a bit hard, as you see the espresso range is not all the way to the 9 bar, and we're not having a very steady flow coming out here, but we did have nice crema forming in that espresso shot. As you can see right here, look at that crema. Even though we're using very old coffee, and I probably need to tamper a bit harder and put a bit more coffee inside of it as well. You can see the puck right there. Water for this machine, you can see, working excellent. Nice flow coming out there. Steam of this machine, working great. Nice pressure. Nice steam coming out through the boiler. From steamer 1, working excellent. Heating up once again. So there you have it, Breville heating up, steaming, and ready to brew. So thank you so much for preparing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.